Hello, magandang umaga. Nandito ako ngayon sa Premier Inn para mag-exit ng visa. Good morning to everybody. To those who can understand English and Filipino. This is my first time to vlog. Nagpunta lamang ako dito para renew ng visa. Kaya lang, walang ginagawa. Siguro sa isang araw, aalis na uli ako and I will going to my job again. So this is my first time to make vlog and hope that if everybody will see this, I have make another vlog. If I will get 100 likes, so I can make the vlog again. So ito, pag-alagala lamang dito at wala rin ginagawa. Pupunta ako ngayon sa aming opisina at ako'y gagawa ng konting trabaho doon because our manager is here. So maybe I can do my ito. Nagta-traffic din pala dito sa UAE. Puno-puno rin ng mga sasakyan sa daan. Ito, tingnan nyo, matraffic din dito. Kaya lang siguro mga after 5 minutes wala na siya. At ito, tatawid muna ako sa sasakyan sa kalye para ako ay makomfort sa aking pagbibideo. Tatawid ako, ito malapit na ako makadating sa aking walking area. Ito, mayroong nagja-jogging. Hello, good morning, class. Ito. First time ko kasi ito mag-vlog ng maggawa ng isang video at sabi sa akin ng aking boss, ako daw ay kanyang idadrop, but sabi ko it's better to walk because I want to stretch my legs. Sometimes I have no work in Arfao, so I can walk one time and this is the best for me also, so I can have an exercise. Ito yung mga building dito, ito yung mga building na nakikita nyo dito. Dati nung ako nagpupunta rito, wala pa itong building nito. Ito yung puting building na yon. Ito yung building na yon. Hindi pa dati siya gawa. At yung kabila namang yon na mayroon pang tower crane, kasabay siya dati. Siguro naantala ang kanilang paggagawa. Maybe there is no budget also. So siguro pagbalik ko sa Iraq, maybe we can start our work. Hope that the management will give us again the go signal so I can we can do our work there. Pero I'm not very good in English speaking, but maybe somebody will understand what I am trying to speak. Naalala ko, sabi nga, ang Miss Universe daw ay gagamit ng interpreter. There's no problem if you make some interpreter because this is they are using for hello, kumusta ka? Hello. Ito, naglalakad ako sa papuntang opisina namin at sana siguro about mga 15 minutes or 20 minutes I will be there. Ito yung sinasabi kong building na ginagawa pa hanggang ngayon siguro yung mga 1 year na rin ito na inumpisahan. Kalawangin ang kanyang mga reinforcement rebar. Ito hanggang ngayon medyo matraffic pa rin dito sa may harap ng aming hotel na aking tinutuluyan. At sabi ko, but they are moving a little bit faster, not the same in the Philippines, that if you have a traffic almost 5 kilometers per hour. So there is no problem about this. And I hope that our president will make a good solution to minimize the traffic. Oh, English yun na, minimize ha. So ito, naglalakad ako pupunta sa opisina namin. At I feel a little bit tired. But no problem, this is good for me and I can walk. So ito yung you see, we have some also space here. Not yet before I heard that somebody will make another building in this area. Hello, good morning. You are in the camera. So I hope that after I finish my visa, I can fly tomorrow. So but walking here is a very good exercise also because you don't care anybody. Wala ditong katulad. Sometimes we have some source of kidnapping or holduping, but here I think you can walk as you are just only walking by yourself alone at walang gagalaw sa iyo. Hinihingin lang ako ng konti dahil napapabilis yata yung aking lakad. So dadahan-dahan. Ito pala yung dati namin kinakainan nung isang maybe around 3 months that I came from vacation. This is the place that we are eating before. That building, you see, there are 2 restaurant there, but the problem is all the foods that we are eating there are very what you call that, manghang, very spicy. But there's no problem also. Only the problem is when you will walk up early in the morning, you feel something which is not familiar to me because I'm not always eating hot food. So ito, maybe around 200 meters away from our office. So habang ako naglalakad, ito gumagalaw ang mga sasakyan ngayon dito. Ito ang kapaligiran ng aking dinadaanan. A little bit good, and the climate here is not the same in hello, magandang umaga. The climate here is a little bit good than in Iraq, because in Iraq now the climate is a little bit cold. Is not a little bit, but I used to use at least 2 clothes just to cover the coldness of the weather. But here I'm just only using my polo shirt. This is the MNC, the one that I used to go for medical before. Ito, mayroon po uling ginagawa mga building dito. If you see that tower crane, maganda ang kanilang. Magandang umaga, ma'am. Nasa camera po kayo.
Bakit po?
Nagbablog po ako.
Hi.
Hello. Meron din mga Pilipina rito, but if you will not talk to them, maybe they are also ashamed to talk to any Filipino here, but there's no problem. Sometimes you do not distinguish if you are Filipino or India, not India but Myanmar, Indonesia, Thailand. The face is somewhat like the same. Pare-pareho kumisan ang tabas ng mukha ng mga Asian people. Sabi nga, akala raw ako Korean. Annyeonghaseyo ang kanilang bati. Ito yung mga building na bagong ginagawa dito. Kung nakikita nyo yan, ito, maybe around 6 months it will be again higher than 10th floor. So ito, malapit na ako sa aming opisina at sana ay ito ay pag aking inilagay sa YouTube, if somebody will watch, and if I will receive 100 likes or 100 views, not likes but views, so I will make another vlog if I have a time. It is only if I have a time. If we start our work, I'm not always have a time for doing something. We are also always busy. Sana marinig ang aking tinig dito. At ito, malapit na ako, siguro mga 150 meters na lang ako sa aking pupuntahan. At makakarating na ako sa aking paroroonan. Dati meron ipinalinis dito. Nasaan yung dating building dito nililis? So I am looking for this building. It means to say that I have to list this building. No. Joke, only joke. A little bit nearer and I will take a rest. Maraming Pilipino doon at maraming kababayan din nasa sa opisina, pero medyo nagbabawas na rin ang mga tao dito sa opisina ng aming kumpanya, and I'm very glad and I'm very thankful to God that up to now I am still here working in our company. I have almost 17 years working in our company. It's not bad. So I hope that our company will take another project and I can stay here more longer. Magandang umaga, ma'am. Hello. Ito, mga Pilipino naglalakad din dito sa dahil they are comfortable of walking here. There is a good cemented or black pathway na magandang paglakaran, and you can reduce more calories if you will walk sometimes in one day. So this is good for health. So ito, meron siguro itatayong building ulit dito sa lugar na ito. Ito, makikita nyo rito, agad malapit na ako sa aking pinupuntahan, and ito, dito ang sasakyan, kukunti lang ang dumadaan dito, is not busy highway, pero maybe after 2 hours magiging busy na rin ito sa commuters and to those who go to their offices. Medyo malayo pa ng konti. Ito, around malayo na rin. Malayo. Around half kilometer din pala itong aking nilalakaran ito. Ito na, marami na rito mga naglilinis ng kapaligiran sa compound ng what you call this, DIP office center or what. So malapit na ako, pumasok na ako sa compound ng aming opisina na tinutuluyan, at ito yung mga opisina na nandito. Kung nakikita niyo, dito ay marami ang re-rent ng office sa room. Yan, mayroong isang school dito for kids and they are always playing in one playground at the back of their school. So eto nga at malapit na uli ako. Lagi malapit na. Hope that I can ito yung mga opisina na kanilang tatrabahuhan. Dito ang parking lot at Regus, this Regus, which is the place where the all meetings or what you call that, service offices, meeting rooms. This is the Regus. $50 away from our office. Kung makikita nyo, that is the place where Archirodon is working. This is the Archirodon office and I am already here in the main office of Archirodon here in UAE. So maybe I will off my mobile, but you see, this is the Archirodon area. So one time more I will go back. I will go here at the back of the office, but there is a red warning tape here, so it means to say that I cannot enter that because there is a warning tape. If there is a warning tape, it means to say there is some danger, but not too much danger, but still it is prohibited to go at that area. So this is our office, Archirodon. Hello. Yes, I know. So this is the head of Archirodon driver, I think. He thought I am misleading of my pathway talk. Archirodon is here, so I just only want to show you some good places here at the back of our main office. I don't know if my boss is already there in this is the island inside the Dubai, if you can see that area. This is, I don't know if somebody come here for swimming, but I think it is not possible because the water is a little bit cloudy or malabo. It means to say this is not good for shower or for swimming. Ito yun. Ito yung likod ng opisina namin. Yan. If you can see that. Ito pupunta. Is it not possible to walk here at the grass? Maybe if somebody see me here, somebody catch me. They will. Ito meron ditong isang little bit circularized stadium. Not a stadium, but I will go now to my office and I will check if I have something to do there bago uli ako gumala. It's almost 20 minutes 19 minutes that I am doing my vlog. Hello, magandang umaga, good morning to everybody. At pupunta na ako sa aming opisina upang makita ko kung ano ang sinasabi ni maybe I will do that my report in daily report of my work. So hope that one Indian driver, I think he is the head of the drivers here. He said Arcurdon is here. I know that the Arcurdon is there, but I just only want to make some ito oh. Yan ang parking lot nila. I will go left turn. I'm almost here in our office. Papasok na ako sa entrance ng aming opisina. Ito yung hello, good morning. Hindi ata ako okay. Ito yung loob ng aming opisina. And I will go up the elevator. In the first floor. Which door will you want to open? Nothing really. Hello, good morning. How are you? First floor. First floor also. I'm doing some video. This is our office. This is the personal manager in the Arcurdon, the head office. So this is Mr.
You are sending to?
I will put this in the YouTube.
Ah, okay.
Hello, thank you. As Mr. Pramod, he is the personal officer in our office. Anyhow, I will off now my job, or I will go upstairs second floor wherein some Filipino people are working there, to Miss Rhea and Anita, and I will ask if our manager is there. Second floor. Almost 23 hours. 22 minutes. Oh, okay. I'm here now in our planning. Hindi, not this one, but here, the other side. Yung dati aming project na ginawa, ito, Sarasaulapan. This is from, this is Khalifa. I came from Khalifa before. Okay. Good morning. Hello, how are you?
Why like this?
Good morning, ma'am. Thank you. At matatapos ito.